In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlight color in Google Docs. Whether you're tidying up a single section of text or the entire document, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can achieve a clean and professional look for your document with ease. First things first, locate the paragraph or sentence where you'd like to remove the highlight. Once you've identified the text in question, go ahead and highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, ensuring that it's all selected. You should see a colored background behind the text, indicating the highlighted areas. Now, let's move our attention to the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs page. There's an icon that looks like a tiny highlighter, a capital letter A with a line beneath it. This is the text color option. Click on this icon and you'll see two tabs, one for text color and another for highlight color. Make sure to select the Highlight Color tab to proceed. Once you're in the Highlight Color menu, you'll notice several color options available. However, since we're aiming to remove the highlight, click on the None option, typically represented as a boxed none or a white square at the top of the color menu. As soon as you click that, the highlight will vanish, leaving your text beautifully clear and fuss-free. Now, what if your entire document is decked out in highlights? Removing them all can be just as straightforward. A great shortcut for this is to select everything at once, and you can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard for Windows or Command+A if you're using a Mac. This command highlights every bit of text in the document, which is particularly handy when you're looking to make sweeping changes. Just like before, head up to the top of the page and click on the Highlight Color toolbar icon. Then select None from the options. Instantly, all those highlights will disappear, leaving you with text that's clean and clear. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can effectively remove highlight colors in Google Docs, whether for a small section or the entire document. It's a simple yet impactful adjustment that can make your documents look more polished and professional. I hope this guide helps you streamline your editing process and saves you time when working on your documents. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!